Hi, this is Sam Moore, and I will be revisiting the Vandelay Industries case. And based on what we've covered during the first half of the course, I'll discuss some key challenges presented and some recommended solutions. One of the challenges was tinkering um, in customization of the R3 implementation. The challenge was whether or not it should be centralized or fit Vandelay's culture of innovation and autonomy. One recommended solution would be to keep a tight control on the original process and allow customization only if absolutely necessary. To maintain their standards, they should create a process that allows customization but requires approval from maybe a steering committee of business officers or higher level management. Another challenge Vandelay faced were the cost pressures. They allowed a budget for 20 million, the entire implementation project. Uh, that coupled with the overall leadership of almost 30 people and their aggressive 18-month timeline, to me the ripple effect seemed almost inevitable. A recommended solution would be beware of creating impossible shortcuts, as it would most likely cause delays and inefficiencies down the line. To me, a strong leader that can stand up to other steering committee members on this project is key to ensure a thought out process redesigned is completely etched in stone. Challenge number three, to me, I put skilled employees. There were about 50 employees on this project, and the ones that were in the thick of designing and programming R3 into Vandelay's processes were mainly consultants. This poses a challenge of whether or not the consultants have world-class enterprise and business expertise. Solution to this: don't just hire run-of-the-mill SAP specialists. Try to choose those that are more business-minded and understand the big picture. For instance, what the company is truly attempting to accomplish, not just another R3 implementation. If you're the consultant often hiring these contractors, like the consulting firm that Elaine Kramer worked for, Deloitte and Touche, I hope I'm saying that right. So if you're often hiring these contractors, perhaps try to build a network of those that have worked well in the past. Challenge four was their time frame or the lack of thought out decisions. Their time frame for the implementation of R3 was an aggressive goal of 18 months. And although Deloitte and Touche, they were in the consulting business for these types of projects, I was in the mind frame that they couldn't possibly fully understand their client as well or well enough to avoid cost or complexity implications. Solution to this: Vandelay's R3 project team structure. They have to have that field of vision or the sixth sense mentality when managing this implementation. Staying strong and vigilant to the challenges they will face is key to successfully executing R3. Challenge 5, resistance to change. With such a large implementation project such as this R3 implementation and such a short amount of time, there were bound to be some skeptics and employees in the group who would resist this new system. A recommended solution would be to tackle the challenge before it even begins. Create a process documentation from the start and maybe market the new system company-wide from a leadership standpoint to make people really aware of what's going on and what to expect. So, can you think of any other challenges or recommended solutions that I haven't covered?